What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, and we have a great video for you today. We're going to be talking about something that affects millions of people: fungal infections. They can be super annoying to deal with, right? But don't reach for those harsh chemicals just yet. We're diving deep into the top 10 foods and herbs that can help you combat those pesky fungal infections naturally. That's right. We're going to fight fungus with food. Let's get to it. First up, we've got coconut oil. This tropical treasure is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting fungal infections. What makes it so special? Well, coconut oil contains lauric acid and caprylic acid, which have potent antifungal properties. You can use coconut oil topically on affected areas, or even ingest a tablespoon or two daily for internal benefits. But remember, consistency is key, so make it a part of your routine. Next, we have a pantry staple: apple cider vinegar. This stuff has been used for centuries to remedy various ailments, including fungal infections. Apple cider vinegar helps balance your body's pH levels, creating an environment where fungus struggles to thrive. You can consume it diluted in water, add it to salad dressings, or even use it topically in a diluted form. Remember, always dilute it before applying it to your skin. Let's talk gut health, people. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system, which can help fend off fungal infections. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your digestive system. They help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, keeping those harmful yeasts in check. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or you can opt for a probiotic supplement. Garlic, the king of flavor, is also a potent antifungal and antibacterial agent. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of various fungi. Add garlic to your dishes while cooking, or consider taking a garlic supplement for its potent benefits. And hey, if you're brave enough, you can even try a raw garlic clove. Lemons, those bright yellow bursts of sunshine, are not only refreshing, but also pack a punch against fungal infections. They're rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off those infections more effectively. Start your day with a warm glass of lemon water, squeeze some lemon juice on your salads, or add lemon slices to your water for a refreshing and healthy boost. Lavender, with its calming aroma, is known for its soothing properties, but did you know it also possesses antifungal properties? Lavender oil can be applied topically to soothe irritated skin and fight fungal infections. Add a few drops of lavender oil to a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. You can also add a few drops to your bath for a relaxing and therapeutic experience. Rosemary, a staple in many kitchens, is more than just a fragrant herb. It boasts antifungal benefits thanks to its compound rosmarinic acid. Incorporate rosemary into your cooking by adding it to soups, stews, or roasted vegetables. You can also make a rosemary-infused oil by steeping fresh rosemary sprigs in a carrier oil like olive oil. Peppermint, known for its refreshing flavor and cooling sensation, also possesses antifungal properties. Peppermint oil can be used topically to soothe itching and irritation caused by fungal infections. Dilute a few drops of peppermint oil in a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. You can also enjoy a cup of peppermint tea for its soothing benefits. Tea tree oil, derived from the Australian tea tree, is renowned for its powerful antifungal properties. It's a popular natural remedy for various fungal infections, including athlete's foot and nail fungus. Always dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying it to the skin. Start with a small amount to test for any sensitivities. Last but not least, we have echinacea, a powerful herb that can boost your immune system and help fight off those pesky fungal infections. Echinacea is available in various forms, including capsules, teas, and extracts. Incorporate echinacea into your routine to strengthen your body's natural defenses against fungal overgrowth. It's like giving your immune system its own suit of armor. So there you have it, folks. 10 powerful foods and herbs that can help you combat fungal infections naturally. Remember, a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet are key to preventing and managing these pesky invaders. Keep your body strong, your immune system boosted, and those fungal infections at bay. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. See you next time.